Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Rabia Kamran on behalf of the YouTube channel Chalo Padho with Rabia. Today I am in front of you to tell you about how to add or subtract or multiply decimal numbers. So this is question number 7 of exercise 2D of our D1 book, and this is 2.4 rational numbers and real numbers. So I am solving in front of you first of all part B. So I will write here solution first, and then I will rewrite the question. So here I will tell you that this question can be solved by using two methods, and I will solve both the methods in front of you, so you will come to know how to solve it. I will write it like this. This is 130.4 and multiplied by 0.5. As you can see that in this portion there is only one number after decimal. It means that it has got one decimal place. So after removing this point, I will put here 10. Means for point I will write here 1, and for this decimal place I will put a 0 over there. And likewise here, after removing this point, I will make a 1 over here, and there are two decimal places, so I will make two zeros, means 100. So now I will multiply this 1304 by 15, and I will multiply this 10 by 100, which will be 1000. So now I will multiply the numbers which are in numerator, means 1304 multiplied by 15. 5 4s are 20, 2 will go up, 5 zeros are 0, means 2 will come down, 5 3s are 15, 15 means 5 will go down, 1 will go up, 5 was a 5 and 6. Now I will start from 10th place. Here 1 4s are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 3s are 3, and 1 1s are 1. And now I will add them. That would be 0 6 5 9 1. This is 19560 upon 1000. Now what will you do? Because there are three zeros in denominator, and in numerator there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point in any number, it would be last of that number here before ones place, and I will shift it towards left hand side because we are dividing by 1000. This is the rule. We will shift it towards left hand side, and that would be 1 2 3. So there would be your point. That would be 19.560. This is your answer. Now I am solving this question by another method, which is called horizontal method, and in which I will write here first 130.4 and 0.15. Write down like this, and I will multiply now these two numbers. 5 4s are 20, 2 will go up, 5 zeros are 0, 2 will go down, and 5 zeros are 0, 2 will go down, and 5 3s are 15, 15 means 5 will come here, 1 will go up, 5 1s are 5 and 6. I will write here 6, and now 1 4s are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 3s are 3, and 1 1s are 1. Now I will add them. 0 6 5 9 and 1. How will we put decimal over here in this answer? So for this purpose, first of all, I will see the first number, which is 130.4. It means that there is only one decimal place, means after decimal there is only one number, and here this is two decimal places. So in the answer there would be three decimal places. So I will count from right hand side. So in your answer there is no decimal, so it would be at the last of the number after ones place. I will shift it 1, 2, 3. That would be over here. So your answer would be 19.560. That would be your answer. Okay, now we are going towards next question. Now we are going towards part D, and this is 0.25 multiplied by 1.96. First of all, I will write the solution, and now I will write it again because we are solving it by using first method, and in this method I will remove this decimal, and after decimal point there are two numbers 2 and 5. So for decimal I will write here 1, and for two decimal places I will write two zeros over there, that is 100. Likewise here, after removing this decimal I will put 1 for that, and after that I will put two zeros because there are two decimal places, 9 and 6. So now I will write here 25 multiplied by 196. You have to follow the same format, then you will be having correct answer. This is 10,000 in denominator. So what will we do? First I will multiply this 196 by 25. Okay, this 5 6 is 30, 3 will go up, 5 9s are 45, 46, 47, 48, and 4 will go up, 5 ones are 5 6 7 8 9. And now I will multiply this 196 by 2. I will leave ones place over here. This is 2 6 is 12, 2 will come here, 1 will go up, 2 9s are 18, and 1 19. I will put 9 here, and 1 will go up, 2 ones are 2 and 3. Now I will add both of the numbers. This is 0 8 9 10. 0 will come here, 9 2 is 18, 19. 1 will go up, and 3 and 1 4. This is 4900 upon 10,000. Now there are four zeros in denominator, and we are going to divide 4,900 by 10,000. So because you have seen that there is no decimal in numerator, it would be at last, and we have to shift this decimal towards left. For after four numbers I will count from here. After 4 digits I will put the decimal. This is 1 2 3 4. So point will come here, there, 4900. And to show this point, because it would be invisible if you will not make 0 over there, so I will make here 0. This is our answer. And now I will solve this question by another method which is called horizontal method. So I will write it like this: 1.96, and this is 0.25, and I'm gonna multiply these two numbers. 5 6 is 30, 3 will go up, 5 9 is 45, that would be 48, 4 will go up, and this is 5 1s are 5, and this, that would be 9. Now I will remove this, and I will leave ones place. 2 6 is 12, 1 will go up, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, and 1 19, 9 will go down, 1 will go up, 2 1s are 2 and 3. So now I would add them. That would be 0 8 9 10 0, 9 2 is 18, 19, and that would be 4900. Now we have to put the decimal where it would be. There are two decimal places in first number, there are two decimal places in second number, so we will add these 2 plus 2, that would be 4 decimal places. So in our answer, there would be 4 decimal places. I will put point over there and I will count from here towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there would be the decimal before 4, and this is your answer. I will write answer over here like this: 0.4900. It is up to you. You can remove these zeros from here. That would be then 0.49. This is your answer. It's up to you with which method you are comfortable. You can use either method number 1 or method number 2. Now I am going to start question number 8. Find the value of each of the following. I'm gonna solve here part B. This is 1.32 divided by 0.12. As you can see that both the numbers are decimal numbers, so we are going to divide two decimal numbers, and whenever we are going to divide two decimal numbers, we follow two steps. Step number 1, carry the divisor to the denominator. So here what will we do? This is the divisor and this is the dividend. So I will take this divisor to the denominator as 1.32. That would be in numerator, and that will go in denominator 0.12. And the second step is convert the denominator as an integer. So I will convert this denominator as an integer, and for this purpose what would I do? I will shift this decimal towards here, and I have covered two decimal places, so in numerator I will also cover two decimal places. That would be there on right hand side. I will shift it. That would be 132 upon 12. And now in denominator there is an integer which is 12. Now I will divide this 132 by 12. 12 ones are 12, and that is 1. 1 will go down, 2 will go down, that would be 12, and 12 ones are 12. That is your answer, 11. Okay, now what have I done here? Actually, what's going on behind this scene? We will see here, because we have shifted point towards right hand side. I will write here again 1.32 upon 0.12. As we are going to solve it, what will we do? This is 1.32 and 0.12. As you have already known that when I will remove the point or decimal from the numerator, so how many for decimal I will put here 1, and for the decimal there are two decimal places. For these decimal places I will put two zeros over there. Likewise here, when I will remove the decimal from the denominator, there are two decimal places after the decimal, so I will put 100 also over here, and 100 and 100 will be simplified, and that would be 132 upon 12. And when I will divide it as I have done here, so that would be 11. So 11 would be our answer. So as you have seen that we will shift our decimal of the denominator towards right to make it an integer, and as we will shift decimal towards the right, the places, how many places we have shifted to the right, in numerator we will shift the decimal towards right the same places. Now this is our answer, and now I will solve part C, and the remaining parts A and D will be solved by you with the help of these solutions. And this is 3.426 divided by 0.06. The same procedure will be going on. The dividend will go up 3.426 and the divisor will go down. Carry the divisor to the denominator. This is the first step, 0.06. Now what will we do? We will make the denominator, convert the denominator as an integer. And this is 0.06. So we will go two places towards right, two decimal places. So the decimal in the numerator will also be shifted after two decimal places. So that would be 342.6 upon that would be 6. Both the zeros will be removed from here. So that would be 6. Now I will divide both of them. What it would be? 342.6 and 6 fives are 30 and 4 will be the remainder. 2 will go down. This is 6 sevens are 42 and there would be no remainder. Point would be line up like this and 6 will go down like this. 6 ones are 6 and there would be no remainder. So 57.1 is the quotient or the answer of your question. So we have done question number 8. Now we are going towards question number 9. Now there is question number 9. Evaluate each of the following. And I'm going to solve part B. And I am going to operate between two numbers addition operation. And this is 2.8. First, I will write solution over there and then I will rewrite the question. 2.8 plus negative 1.5, and as you can see that both the numbers are decimal numbers, but the operations will be operated same as we have done in case of integers. So that would be, I will multiply these two signs. That would be 2.8 plus minus minus 1.5. And now we will subtract 1.5 from 2.8. At this moment, I will line up the decimal points as I will write here 2.8 and 1.5. So what we are doing, actually we are subtracting 1.5 from 2.8. How would we? 8, 5 out of 8, that would be 3. I will put the decimal, I will line up the decimal. 1 out of 2, that would be 1. And your answer would be 1.3. Now this is a D part I am going to solve. Negative 6.7, negative 5.4. First I will write here solution, then rewrite the question. And what will we do? You have seen that there are negative 6.7 minus 5.4. We are going to subtract positive 5.4 from negative 6.7. In this case, first of all, I will see that which absolute value is bigger. So you can see that 6.7 absolute value is bigger than 5.4 absolute value. So the sign of 6.7 is negative, negative sign will come. And now this is minus minus plus. So we will be adding both the absolute values. I will line up the decimal point here, 5.4, and I am going to add, so that what it would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One will go up and that would be 12.1. Point would be just under the points of the two numbers. Got it? So we have done with question number 9. Okay. In this lesson, we are done with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals. And in the next lesson, inshallah, we will be doing some complex questions related to fractions, which would be related to four operations as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. And that would be the intermediate level.